In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to create the glass effect in Canva. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to drag the picture where I want to create the effect on. So this is the picture, so I just dropped it there. So once that's done, you'll have to go over to elements and go down to the options of frames. Once you're there, select this frame right here, this rectangular one, and drag it onto your picture. So once that is done, you'll have to go to your uploads and drag this picture onto the frame like that. So now I'm gonna adjust the picture so it matches my current dimensions. So that's like that, and you can do any dimensions you want to whatever is your liking. Done. So once that is done, now I'm gonna click on the image and click on edit image. Then I'm gonna go on to adjust, and here is where all the magic happens. So you'll have to increase the blur to 100% or around this. It shouldn't be 100 because that's gonna look fake, so I'm just gonna do it around 30 according to you. And then you'll have to mess up with the options here, so I may increase the vignette. I'm just gonna make it like that, and then I'm gonna increase the shadow, like decrease the blur. So you just have to mess around with the options and see what is good. So I think this looks good enough. I can see the glass effect, and I'm just gonna go back, and there you go, it looks pretty good. So now what I want to do is add a text onto it. So I'm just gonna go into the text option and take a heading, and then I can write anything I want, and there you go. That's how you do a glass effect. Alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out, and I'll be seeing you next time. Peace out.